2020, the first Queensland Year 12 students received an ATAR score. QTAC has since crunched the numbers, and now we can see how general subjects, applied subjects, and vet studies contributed to the 2020 Year 12's final ATAR scores. To get into most unis in the first year after you finish Year 12, you need an ATAR. To get an ATAR, you need a C grade in English, and any of these three options. Your ATAR score is worked out on a scale to 100, but your grades are just one part of what makes up your ATAR. Other parts include the number of students studying the same subjects, the grades they get, and the grades of Year 12s over the last 5 years. To make it easier, QTAC gave all Certificate 3 qualifications or higher a standard scaled result of 40.76. Sound complicated? That's okay. You just need to know that the scale can go up and down. To calculate ATAR scores, they take your 5 best subject results and add them together. So you could have studied 7 general subjects, but it's only your top 5 that count. For the first cohort of Year 12s, it looked like this. Almost 52% of ATAR-eligible students received at least 78.00. The average ATAR was around 75, and the average university entry score was around 68. We know that studying general subjects can be super stressful. That's why it's worthwhile looking at your options and choosing the best path for you. An A-grade student could have stressed a little less and studied an applied subject instead of 5 general subjects. Remember, it is only the 5 best grades that count. What if I'm a B or C average student? That's perfect. Firstly, you don't have to be a straight A student to aim for an ATAR. And secondly, you don't have to do it through school alone. These students that studied ICT as an applied subject at school and got a C received a scaled-down result. If they did an equivalent Certificate 3 while at school, instead of an applied subject, they would have received a much higher ATAR score. So, if you want to aim for an ATAR, you can study a Certificate 3 or diploma through TAFE at school during your senior years, instead of an applied subject. You'll learn similar content to applied school subjects, but you'll achieve a nationally recognised qualification, at least 4 QCE points, and potentially a better ATAR. Prefer online learning? That's okay, that's also an option. So, before you head into Year 12, chat to your school vet or career coordinator, or reach out to the TAFE at School team for more information. Year 12 is just one part of your future, and you don't need to do it alone. Find out more online.